What up, family? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Dale.
And I'm Jess.
And before we get into much today, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when we drop good eats like these. Welcome back. It's such a treat. Grab your plate, fam. Come on, let's eat. Check out the description box down below to get you 10% off your coldest using the coupon code COLDEST.
Brr.
Can you let them know what we have on our menu today, baby?
What is this? What kind of steak is this?
Cowboy Ribeye.
What he said, baked potato, asparagus, mushroom. That's it. That's all. How y'all doing? What y'all eating on? Let us know down below. You ready?
Yeah.
Y'all.
Today is one of those days
It's just too much going on.
that your fam goes through. How's y'all?
See?
We gonna try this one more time, cause it just ain't no get right, you know what I mean?
It's a lot going on today, y'all.
But it's such a lot though.
So we don't finish the food, or the video ends shortly. For all of the above, today is just a crazy day, y'all.
And you already know what's up.
We hope y'all are doing well. We hope y'all have a good weekend. Thank you for stopping by and joining us for the catastrophe.
As sad as it said, it was about time. You know, we have one about once a week or so.
Yeah, cause we've been on the road with
No problem.
going. It's cause it's Friday.
And it's cause I say we're about to turn up.
I said it in my head. I won't even say it out loud, but that's
Shoot.
exactly what I said in my head. And I was gonna say no, the kids then turned it up. That's crippin'.
But that was how we were. We just happy, getting ready to get into the video. Nope. Nope.
Yeah, what we was gonna eat.
We didn't forget what we were gonna talk about.
So we don't talk about nothing either. I'm sorry. This potato good though. Hear you fucker?
It's just awkward because you're on my side.
My turn.
Okay.
Even the table, I always shit to your lip.
What she said, fam?
I always shit to your lip, except for every once in a while. I'm feel right. Sorry.
You said right.
No. You know what I meant. I rarely ever sit on the left.
That's true.
Okay, we've been ooh.
You swap when we started facing this direction.
Oh. Oh, what you mean?
Even there.
Oh. I was on the right. Now that side, I was on the left. Why I keep saying on the right? I'm on the right. I always been on the right.
No, you've been on the left. You've been on the left.
No, I haven't.
I'm sitting how we would be sitting at the table.
And I sit right there. That's the right.
But that's this side, right? I see it when we came on this side. You jumped in my spot instead of adjusting because we rotated. You just went directly across from your old spot. But that's not my right. If we did a 180-degree turn, that's not my left because we're reversed.
I sit on this side. at that table.
Now watch this. Cause you eating, so I'm good with them. Now, if when we're facing this direction,
I sit on the left.
Bingo.
Okay. So
you're normally on my left, but when we came over here, you jumped to my right because you were already on my left. You didn't adjust.
Well, I'm thinking you talking about recently. We ain't been facing that way for a minute now.
But when we shifted, I told you that it was awkward because I eat on the right side and my elbow would normally be out.
Alright.
Even we look at the videos downstairs, you're always on my left.
Okay. Now downstairs, yes.
So in 2 locations you on my left, so how when you on my right in one spot, that's most now. Cause look how I'm eating.
But that's on you. You can't get about room.
No, I don't. That's rude. No, I don't.
So for those who we want a inside look or wonder what we argue about, that stuff like that. Never anything
Major.
serious.
You trying me some Heinz?
And if I don't eat my steak, don't be mad. I really came for the potatoes and the veggies. But you better eat some.
I guess if I rearrange a couple letters in here. No, I ain't got no Z to make no Heinz.
You want me to cook? Sorry. See? Yeah, today is just not our day. I'm tripping. And I heard you in my head say, pay some time. We need to go to bed.
I got you with that descriptor.
We just need to go to bed and start over, y'all. Look at y'all down looking like, what the heck y'all got going on?
Yes.
We don't know Dun. Too much. We do know that.
Because your arms are short, so even when you're on my left, when you're eating with your right hand, you're not in my way, but my arms are longer. So when I swap sides, my arm going up gonna be in your space.
I can't remember why I tried. She know that side though.
Because you didn't think about that we were doing a 180-degree turn, so you need to shift sides.
And I just sat down.
You just went to the same side you had always been on. But it wasn't the same side we flipped.
Woo. That potato was good.
Oh, yeah, ma'am. Y'all want to see a potato from your mom? Like a loaded baked potato.
And if you do, let us know what you want to see in it. We should do them all the time. I thought I was gonna gain a lot of weight this pregnancy because that's all I've been craving. French fries, potato wedges.
But see how this pandemic set up though?
Cheese grits.
It is so tender.
There's meat. I was ready to eat it, but out of breaks.
And then the knots in your stomach already from the other thing we have going on.
We did have a death in the family. We didn't really talk about it, but definitely keep us and our family in your prayers. There was so much going on. We get tired of telling y'all bad news. And we feel like we was just going through this My aunt died. So we're just a little tired, y'all. I mean, I'm not gonna say we. I know I'm tired. We tired of bringing y'all sad news though.
Yes, yes.
Y'all watch me, you know me.
But Puppies cut up with them watermelons, them sour apple watermelon. I saw that much there.
You got fruit cut with bubbles in it. What are they called? Are they bubbles?
I like the one from Bubble Tea.
Mm-hmm. So they got bubble fruit cups.
Now, this the thing. And this is why I got the apple, green apples too.
That should be done.
He like, I'm good. Take a sip of water. Hold on.
Dang no water.
We need to go to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
But
we do that.
So when I went in the store, the one that I had already tried, the strawberry lemonade one, that one's in there as well. But you know, it's new, so they only have limited flavors. I didn't even know the green apple one existed until I went to Publix. So you know, I already like the strawberry lemonade one. So when I saw it was on sale, that was even more of a go for me. But when I saw two flavors, I said, okay, I grab one of the other one. And then when I pick it up, sour apple watermelon.
Ooh,
and to boot, the strawberry lemonade one was full. There were only 5 other sour green apple watermelon. So either everybody was having sour green apple fit, or it really is the
spit.
Because for there to normally be like 40 on the shelf, 5, and there are 40 of the strawberry lemonade ones. Now, granted, I might have just caught the wave late because it says new, but they could have been out for a couple months or something.
Look at potato. Yep, potato.
Off chain.
Oh, it was really, really what I wanted. You gotta eat your vegetables. I'm eating them.
I've been living them. I get a couple of mushrooms and asparagus or 2 in the meantime, but I ate like 10 mushrooms off camera, so I'm like, okay, I want to kind of balance out.
I'm eating.
I'm trying to eat them all.
I'm eating them all.
I feel like that'd be safe because as I'm getting the table together, every time I came to the kitchen, I pinched out 1, pinched out 2.
I was sneaking eating them asparagus and mushrooms. I ate a couple of both.
That little apparatus doing this job, man, cause I ain't down no full state like this back to back in a minute.
Now I gotta see back.
Back?
Back, yes, son, I had to see back. Back. Woo!
Eat off of that. Ooh, yeah, boy.
Good. My steak gonna be good later.
I gotta figure out what I'm eating. What we gonna eat later, y'all?
Cause it's kind of early, and this camera finna cut off.
Yep.
Excuse me.
And with all the catastrophes, don't even know how long the video actually is.
About 20, about 18 minutes.
Let you know, we had like 6 cuts.
Either way, we hope you guys enjoyed.
As much as we did, because catastrophes and all, It's always a blast to be with y'all.
Yeah. Even if for a little time.
So, sadly, we come to that point in the video.
We must let y'all go.
So, until next video, fam.
Until next video. It's good out. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Stay safe.